What is going on, YouTube? Behind me here I have my 1999 V6 Mustang. So I know the video title says that I'll be coyote swapping it, and I am, trust me. But this is going to be a whole series, different parts, different like sections of getting things done, because everything is getting swapped out on this beautiful V6 Mustang. So I got this car about a year ago with the plans of coyote swapping it. I got it for about 200 bucks out of pocket. Came with those wheels, curb rash and all. Came with the lovely black primer paint job, halo headlights, and the Mach 1 chin spoiler. And best of all, it came with basically no exhaust. So there's a lot of issues with it. It was running and driving at the time, but it has since changed its mind. So I will be figuring that out soon. And it came with a nice big old bump in the quarter panel. Stock antenna. So after you've seen a little bit of the car, I figured we would go inside the car and have a look at what's going on with the inside. Take a look inside. Has a little bit of door sag going on. Ripped seats, dirty floors. Have a couple tools on the inside, but dark charcoal gray. This seat does not stay in place. That's why the wooden block is there. There's a big slice taken out of the steering wheel. And the trunk was absolutely filthy. But I've cleaned that up a little bit. So plans for this car coming up soon is a 03-04 Terminator Cobra bumper, a shadow black paint job that I'm hoping is going to look really nice, the dual exhaust. I'm going to put that on before the coyote swap. And just little things like that, getting the car running. I think I want to do that before the full coyote swap, maybe get a comparison of the V6 from the new edges and compare it to the coyote and how the new edge handles the power, especially what originally had a V6 chassis in it. I also do have an 8.8 rear end in it, not in it, but to put in it. That's going to be in another video coming up shortly. And also, one of the previous owners spray painted what looks to be like a dragon, maybe. A previous owner looks to have painted a dragon or a demon of some sorts on the hood and front bumper. Probably my favorite feature of this car is the removable fake hood scoop. So yeah, one big piece of work, but I think it'll make for a great project and a lot of content for you guys. So this was my introduction to Project Shitstang, and the journey that she's going to be going on, and hopefully you guys can enjoy watching. This is my first video like this, and I know it's probably going to be extremely cringy, especially to people that know me and watch this, but I'm just going to roll with it and try and have some fun with it. Everyone's cringy at first. Some people are even still cringy, but you just got to go with it. And I'm going to be doing more than just car stuff on this channel. Eventually, I might branch it away for its own thing, but for right now, this channel is probably mostly going to be focusing on the Mustang, my 24 valve VR6 GTI Mark IV, and my girlfriend's Mark VI TDI, with things that we'll be doing to both of these as well if you guys are interested. If you guys have any advice, helpful criticism, very welcome. I would love to grow this channel, hopefully, and you know, just make great content for everyone. Thanks for watching. If you like this, stay tuned, subscribe. Every single subscription is greatly appreciated. One thing I did forget to mention with the shit staying out there is when I first bought it, the e-brake did not stay in place. It would wobble and it was just completely broken out of the frame. I've since fixed it, and hopefully I'm able to get a clip in here to show you guys. Here you can see what I mean by it being detached and how easily it lifts up and moves around. And you can see just how dirty the interior used to be before I cleaned some of it. But this issue has since been fixed. Thanks for watching, and hopefully see you next video.